Okay, everyone, we're going to take your 10-foot wall and we're going to put a window opening in the middle of it, okay? So what you're going to do is let's start off just by getting rid of a couple of studs here. Let's get rid of the center studs here. And then we're going to take the tape measure and we're going to find the middle of the wall, okay? So starting at the end here, starting at that end right there, we're going to take a line and just let the tape measure travel along the edge of the wood. You see that? And what it'll do, it will find the middle. Hang on a second. It will find the middle for you right there, which is 5 feet along. Okay, so there's the middle, and what we're going to do is let's create a let's see here. We're going to create a 3 foot for a 3 foot door. So we're going to create an 18-inch, or sorry, a 38-inch opening. Okay, what's called a rough opening. So from here, we're going to go. This is the center, so we're going to go half of 38, which is 19. So I'm going to go 19 inches that way, and I'm going to go 19 inches the other way, like that. Okay, 1919, and then I'm going to get rid of that one right there too. Okay, and then from there, basically, we're going to have what's called a trimmer stud. So watch this. I'm going to take this and I'm going to do 1.5 here, 1.5, and 1.5 like that. Okay, now this is called a trimmer stud, and we're going to draw a stud there, and we're going to raise it up, but we have to know how far up to raise it. So I'm going to come up here, and I'm going to bring a line down. Okay, we're going to put what's called a 2x8 header. So we're going to come down 7.25 like that, and so that gives us a line to go to, and then we're going to come down here and grab the rectangle tool, okay, and create that and raise that up. Okay, so we're going to bring that up here, and we're going to bring it up to that line that we just created right there, like that. Okay, and then make that a group, 1, 2, 3. Make it a group, and then take the move tool, and we're going to move that over to the other side here, like so. Okay, and now we're going to bring a full size stud in beside it. So we're going to copy this one here like this, grab it here, bring it in, copy it, okay, and do the same over here. We're going to copy that stud here like that, okay, and now we're going to create a header. So to create a header, let's go up to the top here, get rid of that, get rid of that. Okay, so the header here is just going to be a solid header. To be honest with you, if this was, if you were building here, if this was a construction site, then the header, which is the beam we're putting in here, the header would be made up of 3 pieces. Of course, sort of 2.5 pieces, but what we're going to do here, just to keep the thing simple, is we're going to create a rectangle here, and we're going to pull that over, click once, bring it over here, bring it over to that point there, and then 1, 2, 3. Make it a group. Okay, so there you have the header. Okay, so we got the header, the trimmer, the king. And now what we're going to do is we're going to put the windowsill in. Okay, so come on down here, and down here, just pick a height. So we're going to have let's create let's go into the header here. Okay, and we will come down from here. So I'm going to bring a line. Just 1 second. It's jumping all over the place on me. Okay, so I'm going to bring a line down from here. I'm going to bring it down, let's say 40 inches. Okay, 40. Let's see where that takes us to. So that's good. That's fine. And now I'm going to bring a second line. Okay, 1.5 down, like that, and create a rectangle across here, like so, and pull that over to the other side of the opening. And that is our windowsill. So let's back out and have a look here. Okay, so that's what's happening. That's our windowsill. And then similarly, now we're going to create what are called cripple studs. And cripple studs are the little studs that go under a window, 1.5 like this. Okay, and come in here a little bit more. And okay, create a rectangle. So this is a cripple stud. Cripple stud comes up to the bottom of the window like that. and it gets, oh, I didn't group that. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, I need to group that, and then I need to redo that cripple stud at the bottom, like that. Okay, so I'm going to raise that up, like so, and then group that, 1, 2, 3, make it a group. And then basically, this is very important. So what happens here now is I have to keep these cripple studs on the 16-inch centers. Remember the 16s? Okay, remember the 16s. So watch this. I'm going to take my tape measure, and I'm going to come in here to the bottom, and I'm going to come over this way 16, like that, and another 16 from there. Okay, and now I can copy these cripple studs over like this. So I copy like that, and I copy again like that, and I copy a final time to place it there. Okay, and listen, that is how to frame a wall that has a window opening. Okay, let's have a look back here. I'm going to get rid of all these lines. Okay, there we go. So that's a wall with a window opening, cripple studs and a header above, and then the trimmer studs and so on. Okay, so you're going to submit a picture of this. Okay, you submit a PDF of this showing all of your pieces. Okay, that's it. Thank you.